Earlier in the program, Common Ground volunteer Molly Aden talked about what sustainability means on her family farm.
Now Molly is back with a recipe that will get you in the St. Patrick's Day mood.
Well, it is that time of the year when we start thinking about St. Patrick's Day, and it's fun to think about a treat that we could enjoy this time of the year. Joining me now with more is Molly Aden. And Molly, what do you have for us?
I have a Shamrock Shake recipe that's very simple and it's great for this time of year. You're going to start out with 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. I'm going to use about 3/4 cup of milk. We like ours a little bit thicker. You can use more milk if you'd like. And then I'm going to measure out 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. And you can use food coloring to make the shake green, just for fun. I don't have any green at my house, so I'm just going to use equal parts of yellow and blue. So this would be a time if you want to add chocolate syrup. You could put Oreos in if you want to make it extra fun. You can really do whatever you want. I'm just going to decorate our cup just to make it a little more exciting. So I'm going to actually put my chocolate syrup kind of drizzled inside the cup. I will pour my shake right on top. And then my boys always enjoy a little bit of whipped cream on the top. And there you go. It's just a nice, refreshing drink. That's pretty simple. And you probably have most of the stuff at home to make a fun St. Patrick's Day drink.
I bet it's popular among the kids.
Yes, yes. We even sometimes will put green sprinkles on it just to make it extra festive, but super quick and definitely something to make if you have kids at home.
Okay, all right, sounds good. Thank you, Molly, for being here today.
Thanks, John.